is Anglophone heavy. Mr. Speaker, what happened to the unity, inclusivity, and equitable representation that the African Union stands for? Going forward, maybe this is an area that needs to be looked at so that there is maybe rotational representation or something that is close to negotiated democracy. Mr. Speaker, finally, for those who have been laughing and celebrating, it is indeed very, very sad. Mr. Speaker, if I can say, that this came at a time when we came back to the House to the loss of one of us, reminding us that we are all very temporary in this world. Why then should we hate to the extent of celebrating the loss of a Kenyan candidate, the loss of Kenya in the contest for the African Union Commission? I want to say shame on you to all of them.
There is an MP who is looking very unhappy here. Would you give her the mic to address the House on this? I'm not seeing her properly. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to take this opportunity to also contribute on the matter. I'm very proud of the campaign that was done because it was an international campaign, and my party leader represented the agenda of Kenya at an international platform. And we are very happy as Kenyans because this was a time that many Kenyans of different divide came together to stand for one thing. It was not Honorable Raila Odinga on the ballot, it was Kenya on the ballot. And for that, we are happy and proud of the representation. As for the naysayers, that does not stop our agenda from going forward. We have a big agenda, which is to take Kenya forward. And we are very encouraged, especially as young people, to never retire, to continue giving our best to our country so that we are able to go forward. I stand here because of the mentorship of my party leader, where I started my political career in his office, and he did not know me, straight from Garissa, and he still held my hand to come to this house. And we continue to serve an example and preach a national agenda. For the naysayers and the few with dissenting voices, the president has taken a presidential stand on this. He did not take a party position, he took a presidential position. And for that, we thank him, and we continue to take cues. And for those who have not seen the cue, the country has gone beyond clan politics. We are now moving together as one. And for that, we want to encourage everybody to take the leadership that we have already been given. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Move on.